Yo, check it. Check it. 1 into the 2 into the 3 into the 4. The history of hip hop and rap. It didn't start with the beat, it started with the scratch. The history of hip hop and rap. DMCs tell it clear, no mumble on the track. The history of hip hop and rap. No trap in the game, broke out with the boom back. The history of hip hop and rap. Take it back to the days with Kool Herc on the track. We stand for something to the DJ that came up. I'm the spirit of the urban youth, the voice and mind of those who grew up in the city, inner city break. Spoke out for those in the slums, they had something to say. Helped them speak to their peers. I appeared for the youth that made something out of nothing, gave them something to do. Kids needed to celebrate, created their own art, expressing themselves. Hip-hop comes from the heart. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you're now listening to the smooth sounds of Daga Beatmaker, lyrics by Rap Hopper for Kids. And right now we're talking all that jazz. Kool so smooth, this style demands chops. Skills on the horns and the keys, keep it hot. Cats banging on the skins and picking on the backs. Improvisation, making music on the jazz. Kool so smooth, this style demands chops. Skills on the horns and the keys, keep it hot. Cats banging on the skins and picking on the backs. Improvisation, making music on the spacks. An original style of music made in the memory. The jazz age, Cats knew how to make their music swing. A new craze hit the place, grip the country. Rap opera for kids takes you into the history, This the jazz age, jazz took center stage. Get ready world, make way for a new wave. New Orleans, it was made and dominated the airwaves. Rolling in the 20s, now jazz is here to stay. This the jazz age, jazz took center stage. Get ready world, make way for a new wave. New Orleans, it was made and dominated the airwaves. Rolling in the 20s, now jazz is here to stay. Yo, check it. 1 into the 2 into